Hi, good morning and welcome to Yoga for Back Wellness program. This is another stretch for your glutes, your gluteus muscle. Okay, this is your glute. So we're going to stretch for this muscle. Okay, bend your knee like this and bring your right leg like this, back straight. Hug as much as you can. Close your eyes. Count for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm crossing my right leg. So I'm stretching my right glute. Change. Bend your right leg. Cross your left leg. And you can feel the stretch on your glute. This is also very good for your back. We are stretching hamstring, quadriceps, glute, calf, back, everything is very supportive for your back. Okay? Hold for 30 seconds. That's very important. Okay. What about people who are not able to bring your leg like this, or who have a big belly, cannot hug like this? You can do only this much. That's also fine. Do it as much as possible and hold for 30 seconds and slowly you can improve. And for people who cannot sit like this, you can go to a wall, back straight, okay? From there, you can have a support and then do the glute stretch, okay? This way also you can do. This will also really help, okay? Whichever way, try to do this and feel the difference, okay? Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.